So this is going to be my first voiceover tutorial, so bear with me. I'm starting with a black shade with a small blending brush, and I am packing that in the crease and then winging it out a tiny bit. And I'm going to continue packing the black shade on until it is as dark as I want it to be. Next, I'm going in with a dark maroon color to blend out the edges of the black. I'll keep adding pigment again to this one too until I get the intensity that I want. You can see now that the purple is a lot darker and noticeable. Next, I'm going in with a lighter pinkish red shade just to blend out the purple and blend it up into my brow bone. And then I go back with the darker purple to make sure all of that blends together. And again, I'm blending in the lighter red shade just to add a little bit more pigment. And then I use just a clean, fluffy blending brush to blend everything together. Now I'm using a pretty precise brush, a pretty flat cut crease brush with some micellar water, and I am removing some of the shadow on my eyelid so that I can cut the crease. And then I'm adding a little bit more black back into the crease just since I lost some of it when I was using the makeup remover. And I don't want to lose any of the depth that I had. After I've cut the crease, I go back in with the darker purple and blend that black that I added and wing it out at the end a little bit more. Now I'm going in with the dark purple again to blend everything together. Next, I'm going in with a light lavender shade. It's a very shimmery shade, kind of a duochrome shade, and I'm packing that on the first quarter or maybe third of my lid. And I'm continuing to pack that on until I get the pigment that I want. Next, I'm using a shade called Rosey, which is kind of the best way I can describe this color. It's kind of a taupe color with a little bit of a pink shift. And then I use this brush to get it right up against the cut crease line. Now I'm using the dark purple that I used on my transition shade, and I am blending that into the shimmer shades. Now I'm going in with a little bit of black on a blending brush and blending everything together. Now on my lower lash line off camera, I added a black cream liner, and now I'm using the dark purple color to smudge that out. I'm also bringing the purple to the outside of the wing. Now I'm using a fluffier blending brush to blend out the lighter red color, and I blend that out into the wing as well. I did put some liner on my upper lash line, and then now I am using the black shadow to try and blend in the liquid liner to the outer portion of my eye. And this is the finished look with highlighter and lashes. These lashes are from Lash Kitty and they're called New Love. And of course I have to post two different angles because why not? And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this look, and be sure to go to my Instagram account and give it a like for me, and also give this video a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.